it's that time again. It's time where I open up a box of Blu-rays and your mind is blown. This is Dominic's Flicks, where I unbox Blu-rays every day, and it's never Mark Wahlberg movies. Today I got me another package from the Vinegar Syndrome company. Check it out. Let's check out what's in this box today. Now, what is Vinegar Syndrome? What does that mean? It's what happens to film when it gets old and starts to get all cruddy. Which is exactly what Vinegar Syndrome, the company, is trying to prevent. All right, let's see what we got at the Vinegar Syndrome today. All right. Okay. And the first thing is, it's a miniature slipcover. Comes with a enamel pin. Orgy of the Dead. Orgy of the Dead miniature slipcover. That's cool. A little decoration for my Blu-ray shelf. Let's see what else we got. Okay, and our first Blu-ray, that's a double feature. The Tangerine Man with bonus feature, Lady Coca. Tangerine Man is a favorite film of Quentin Tarantino and Samuel L. Jackson. It stars John Daniels as the Baron and a no-nonsense pimp who cruises the streets in his signature Tangerine Rolls Royce. And we also got the bonus feature Lady Coca. That's a 1975 crime thriller. A non-stop ride of revenge. Double feature by Vinegar Syndrome. Let's see what else we got. Ooh, Rudy Ray Moore in The Human Tornado. Dolomite is back and badder than ever in The Human Tornado. 1975 classic where Dolomite rounds up his toughest kung fu fighting badasses in Southern California to take on the mob. His third theatrical feature, Petey Wheatstraw, is a ridiculous action horror. 1977. Should be fun to watch. Next we have Count Dracula's Great Love. A sensitive, complex, and surprisingly subversive Dracula story from 1973, restored from its uncut international negative and featuring a never-released feature-length audio commentary. Whoa. That one's gonna be fun. Great Love. Okay, and the next Vinegar Syndrome release is Death Machines. Ho ho! Part kung fu film, part revenge thriller, and part sci-fi horror. Vinegar Syndrome is proud to present this outlandish, action-packed, and truly unforgettable piece. From the mid-70s, Death Machines. Okay, and we got one more movie in the box. The last movie is Babyface. This is an erotic, dark social satire. One of the most controversial and often censored films. Vinegar Syndrome brings this landmark film to Blu-ray, fully uncut. 1977 erotic social satire. Babyface. And that's my lot of movies from Vinegar Syndrome. But we're not done. We got one more thing. We got ourselves the Vinegar Syndrome t-shirt in black and gray with the logo, the Vinegar Syndrome logo on the front and on the back as well. Nice. Okay, that's the shirt. Vinegar Syndrome. You got the girl on the front. You got a nice stack of new movies from Vinegar Syndrome, along with their brand new mini slipcovers. Check out Vinegar Syndrome online. And that's today's Dominic's Flicks. Thanks for watching, and check out tomorrow's video where I'll unbox something new. All right, bye.